All right, here we are at one of our projects, and we're going to do a video on integrated gutters with our roofing. So in this case, we have this very large, what seems to be a very large gutter box, but what's actually happening is part of this is going to be the detail for the trim when you're looking at the elevation view of the property, and then this section right here is going to be the gutter box. So this particular client, they didn't want downspouts or gutters visible on the side of the house. So what we had to do was integrate this. Basically, this is a big soffit that's going to be open on the top, and that's going to collect the rainwater. So you can see here, we have our shingled roof, and then this is going to be a metal with EPDM gutter box that's going to tie right in here. So any of that roof water is just going to find its way right inside. This is going to be covered with plywood and trim. So this is our part 1 video. We're going to post up another video on showing how we install these gutters, how we get the downspouts in, how we bend the metal gutter boxes essentially, and how we're going to EPDM them and put it all together. So stay tuned, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.